guys, welcome to the first part of our Firebase configuration. For the first part, I want you to prepare your Gmail account. So we have here in our Google, we'll type here Firebase. Then we have here this link, Firebase Google Mobile. For the Firebase console, we'll click this one. After clicking, we'll get started. As of the moment, October 2024, so this is the interface of Google Firebase. So we're gonna click here, get started with Firebase project. And after that, we are going to create a project name. Let's say Flutter Project. So this is the name of our project in Firebase. Click continue. So in here, just click continue. Then for the Google Analytics, if you want to have an analytics, you can select an account, use the default account for Firebase, and then create project. So we'll have to wait till the preparation of the project finishes. Then we'll start to create an application for Android, for iOS, or for our web. Let's just wait for it. It will take time. It's finishing up. Now it says our Firebase project is ready. Let's click continue. So in our Firebase project, we have here the Flutter project. We can select an application for this project: iOS, Android, web, via into Unity, or the Flutter CLI. In our case, we are going to select Android because we're going to connect our Firebase account to our Flutter project. So this is the first part of configuring our Firebase account. After this, we can select two databases if we want to create a database for Firestore or for real time. See you in the second part of this video.